This is the push-pull hygienic door handle. Every time you open the door, the antimicrobial sleeve is refreshed for a clean exit. The cartridge inside is sufficient for thousands of uses. The plastic wrap is on 2 reels so that you don't touch the same piece of plastic twice. The cartridge is very easy to change and just takes a few seconds. Due to its unique shape, the cartridge cannot be fitted incorrectly and they are fully recyclable. This is the lockable hygienic door handle. Once inside, the door is locked by pressing the centre button. When the handle is used to exit, it unlocks automatically and the antimicrobial sleeve is refreshed on release. In the event of an emergency, the door can be unlocked from the outside with the coin release, which is standard on all lockable handles. All handles are supplied with awareness labels for the mirrors and doors. Hygienic door handles are a high-profile demonstration of a commitment to continually raising standards. These handles have been installed at one of Sytner's flagship Mercedes showrooms and displays how the handles look and function in a real-world environment.